Hi, if you are trying to make money with Amazon FBA, but you don't know what kind of products you have to start selling, you have to watch this video till the end because I'm gonna share with you one strategy with one website or one platform that you can use for free to find a big winning product. So if you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and keep watching this video till the end, as I said. So as you can see right here, we are on AliExpress.com platform. AliExpress.com platform is a wholesale platform where you can find products on China and get them as everyone does on Amazon FBA. He just get these products from China, he shipped them this product to United States or to Germany or to his country or to the Amazon warehouse where he want to put his stock on to start selling this product in this country or anywhere in the world Amazon services is available on. So as you can see right here, most of people are just going to AliExpress and try to looking for the best selling products or the huge volume sales products, something like products with tens of thousands of orders. But this is this is not fun. This is not enough to pick a big winning product that you can use and that you can buy, because you are investing money to purchase these products at the beginning. So it's not just like drop shipping, just like test the product. If it doesn't work, it's not a problem. No, with this scenario you have to invest money to buy stock and deliver the stock to the warehouse and all of this stuff. So you have to think about it and to analyze your market really good to to make a good decision, right? So just pay attention to what I'm gonna do right now. Just look. When you go to AliExpress, you will see something like this interface, right? So most of people are just going by niche, and let's say something like skincare. Let's click on skincare products. So this way AliExpress will show me only skincare products, right? Good. And now you have to play with this metrics right here. Okay, so first, the price. If you are interested to get some products with a certain price, you have to do something like this. But in my case, I will not touch this one, which is the pricing right here. I will not touch it. You have to go and click on ship from. Okay, once you click on ship from, you have right here three options: from China, which is the most of the products in this platform located in China because they are made right there, and Turkey as well, and United States. Make sure to check United States. Why? Because United States means that this product, all the people actually bought from China and they took this product to United States. So this one will make the cost, or you will pay less money when it comes to shipping, because you will not pay the shipping from China to United States or to your country. So right here, if you are in the US all the time, make sure to check this option right here, United States, because this gives you two informations. The first one is you will not pay a lot of money for the shipping, and the second thing, you don't have to wait a lot of time, right? Because from China, you have to wait something like 30 days or 40 days just your stuff to get arrived. But in United States, maybe you would wait only something like 1 week to get your products. And the third thing is, actually that these products are working, because these people are investors, right? Are investors that are buying these products with huge quantities, right? And they got these products to United States. So an investor or a business model that is doing this business model will not invest millions maybe of dollars to get this product to United States if this product will not work right there in United States, or if this product is not a winner. So this gives you a lot of chances to pick or to choose a right product or a winning product from this list. And as you can see right here, we have a lot of options. As you can see, we got a lot of options from for skincare. This is just in this niche. You can apply this strategy or this trick with any niche you are trying to. So all of these products right here are actually in United States warehouses, and which makes it really easy to get this stocks, right? If you want a couple of hundred or a couple of, something like 100 pieces of these products, just buy them right here from the sellers, and you will pay when it comes to shipping a lower price. And the second thing, you will pay an affordable price, because I think it's something like similar to what you can see on AliExpress, on my factors on China. And the third thing is, that this product actually, because this person get their stocks of products because he know that this product is a good one, and he will make money because he want to sell as well like you. So he will not choose a wrong product or a loser product. So as you can see, here is how it works. And if you are interested in discovering, or if you are interested in some premium tools in our website, I will leave the link on the description below. So we have right here a couple of tools that will help you to get or to search for winning products on Amazon, something like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 products, or product research, as you can see right here. We have other platforms, but for Amazon FBA businesses, this is the two big products like this. So, and we have some good discounts on them. So as you can see right here, with Helium 10, you will be able to get this product for only 50% of the original, or of the actual price, right? So you will pay only 50% of your first month. And the same thing with Jungle Scout, you will save 60% off on Jungle Scout Mana Sale. So make sure to check that out, how to grab or how to get your coupon code, or how to use this coupon code. Just click on the coupon you are interested in, and right here you can find the coupon code. So here is the coupon code of Helium 10 Amazon FBA product research, and here is the Jungle Scout product research as well right here. With Helium 10 we have the coupon code, but with Jungle Scout we have an affiliate link right here, which is our affiliate link. So if you click it and you purchase, you support us to keep making more videos on this YouTube channel. So that was the strategy. You just need to use AliExpress because it's the main source of products that are getting sold on Amazon or anywhere in the world. Something like 90% of the products that are getting sold in the internet are the original of these products are from AliExpress suppliers. So that was everything for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.